button here. This is your power button. This is what turns the system on. When the system's on, you will see that the lights are illuminated. Currently, there are 4 zones. You have your global zone. Global meaning this changes the lights on the bar, the round down lights, and then the outside lights all at the same time. So everything gets changed all at the same time from this first page. This is page A. This is the arrow key, left and right. This moves to a different zone. So zone B will be your terrace lights. So those are the lights on the outside of the actual, yeah. So these are the lights on the outside of the terrace. So this allows you to control the lights on the outside of the terrace. Alex will give you a PDF that has all of the scenes that were made for the different buttons. There are 8 different scenes for every zone currently. Zone C is the bar lights. This controls the lights underneath the bar, and also allows you to fully control anything that's underneath the bar. Everything is changing. And in the last zone is the zone D. Actually, I apologize. That was reverse. Zone D is the bar lights. Zone C is the round down lights. So these are the down lights that's going all around the perimeter of the room on all 4 sides. So zone C will change all the colors for the lights. And zone D, as I said earlier, will be the bar lights. If you want to turn off a separate zone, each page has a sub-page. And if you press the arrow key one more time, you will see this blinks, which means you're on the sub-page. And you will see as it keeps blinking to let you know that you're on the sub-page. Each sub-page only has 1 scene currently, which is the blackout scene. So if you wanted to leave on the lights on the outside of the terrace, but turn off the lights inside the bar and the round down lights, this is what the scene will do. There's only 1 scene on the sub-pages. So as you can see, you cannot press any other scene because there's only 1 scene on the sub-page, and it's the blackout scene. So if you want to go to page C, which is
so the blackout
down
is
lights.
Just for the outside.
Right, so this is the down light. So this is basically this turns off the down lights. This doesn't affect any other lights except for the lights that are on the page. So again, remember the blinking light lets you know you're in the sub page that only has the blackout scene. And the same thing for D.
Okay. Let me just.
Yep. Off, except for the lights on the terrace. And when you guys are ready to turn the whole system off, hit the power button, and this will turn off everything all at once. Hit it on again, and then it always goes on to the last scene on the last page that you were on. You also have options here for the dimmer, speed, and the color. Now the dimmer is if you are at any lights and you want to dim it, you select it and make sure the blue light is on dimmer, and then this is your slider, and you can slide and keep sliding until you get the lights dimmer. And as you see, the lights above you are getting dimmer. Now they're off. And you slide back, and then you can slowly, gradually increase the brightness. And that works for any scene that is a static scene. And just remember the middle is your preset. So the green light here, the blue lights indicate that you're either less than 50% or more than 50%. The green light means you're right at the middle level. So the default scene is always where the green dot is always located. There's also a speed function. So this speed function only works when there are scenes where you have modes of transition colors. Meaning there's movement, meaning the lights are changing. So you can actually increase it so they go faster. This is as fast as they go. Also decrease it so it goes a lot slower, so it's more of a slow transition. And whenever you want to get back to the default, just hit the middle and the green button, and that will be the default speed for that scene. The last option on here is a color. Now the color is if you wanted, this has a color palette. So if there's a color that you don't want, that you don't have on the presets, you can use the slider, and this will basically manually adjust the color of the lights. You keep sliding. You can also hit the button if you don't want to The sliding does gradual change. If you wanted more dramatic, you can just hit the button at any point along this bar, and then you will see the colors change to reflect that. And that is it.